Hey guys, so today I thought I would show you my everyday makeup routine. Nothing special, just something that I like to do that makes me look a bit healthier, get rid of those dark circles but not go over the top. So it usually takes me about 15-20 minutes max, and this is what I do every morning, Monday to Friday when I go to work. I'm just gonna use some moisturizer. My skin's been really dry lately, so I actually just bought this QV dry skin cream. That's really been helping. Down the neck. My favorite foundation is NARS Sheer Glow foundation. So once foundation is on, then I conceal. And then I go in and highlight with the lighter concealer. Now it's time to set. I like to use the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot pressed powder. So then I will set the rest of my face with another pressed powder. This time I am still using Makeup Revolution, but I am using the shade Banana Light. I am just going to apply a little bit of bronzer just to warm my face up a bit. Time for blush. I am just using the NARS Orgasm blush. Love this one. Now time for eyebrows. I've got the Maybelline Master Brow Palette. So at this stage I would curl my eyelashes. And right about now my dog wants dinner. She just burped in my face. Hello! Come say hi. How you doing? Look. You want dinner? Well, it's not dinner time yet. So sometimes I won't even bother with eyeshadow, but sometimes I like to have something on the eyelids just to, I don't know, make me feel more alive. So I'll just use this brown shade. I'm not really careful with this stage. I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. Just going to do a little bit of eyeliner today. I'm just going to use the eyeliner part of the Quick Flick eyeliner stamp. I'm not going to do the wing stamp, but I do like the eyeliner part of it. And success! Oh, they're very uneven, but whatever. I suck at eyeliner. So then I will finish my eyes off with mascara, and I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's amazing. highlighters that I got in one of those monthly beauty box, the Bella Box subscription. It looks like this. It's got like a bronzer, like a banana powder, a blush, and a highlighter in it. And this highlighter is so nice. It's my all-time favorite. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones. And then I just get a smaller brush, like my brow bone, and in a corner of my eyes. And I just finished with some setting powder. I've got the Urban Decay All Nighter. And now time for a lipstick. So I'm just going to use the KKW Kimberly. It's a nice neutral, not much really to say. ASMR video coming up next. You know what? I'm not feeling this color today. Instead, I'm going to use Kim. And I'll be right back. I'm just gonna fix my hair. And there we go, guys. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see some more videos. Thanks, guys.